Want to explode your sales in the next 24 hours? I'm going to show you how to create a limit time coupon code in Kajabi to incentivize immediate action and watch your revenue soar. First, log into your Kajabi account. Once you're in, navigate to the Marketing tab on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where we'll set up the magic. In the Marketing drop-down menu, click on Coupons. This will take you to the coupon management area where you can create and manage all your discounts. Now, click the New Coupon button located in the top right corner. This will open a form where you can configure your 24-hour offer. Give your coupon a descriptive name, something like 24-hour flash sale. Then, generate a unique coupon code. Make it something easy to remember and type, like Flash 24. Next, choose your discount type. You can select either a percentage discount or a fixed amount for a percentage discount. Enter the percentage you want to offer for a fixed amount. Enter the dollar value you want to deduct. Let's say we're doing 20% off. This is the most important part. Set the expires at date and time exactly 24 hours from when you create the coupon. Then, enable the limited uses toggle, inputting a reasonable number, like 50. This builds scarcity even further. Now, select the specific product or offer this coupon applies to. You can choose one product or multiple, depending on your promotion. Double-check all your settings to ensure everything is accurate, especially the expiration date and time. When you're satisfied, click the Save button. Congratulations! Your 24-hour coupon code is now active. Share it with your audience through email, social media, and any other channels you use to communicate with your customers. Watch those sales roll in.